We love celebrating talented tradespeople who are thriving in their fields. Today, we highlight a lead carpenter who embodies not only the spirit of craftsmanship, but also mentorship.
Hi, my name is Lasana Harper, and I'm a lead carpenter, and I work for Kevin Cradock Builders.
Lasana's a great guy. He's really passionate and engaged in carpentry, and as a carpenter myself, I really connect with that. He wants to learn. He's always doing research, trying to figure out how to do a better job for his personal growth, but also to contribute to the company. He's a great guy. He's an asset.
Everyone has their own experience and story of why they came into the trades, and so I think it's important for everyone around to recognize that carpenters are your peers. We are your family and friends. So a friend of mine, Alec, introduced me to his father, who gave me a job working on his properties. I worked for him for maybe 2 years, and I remember after the first year, he came to me one day and said, "Do you like this stuff?" And I was like, "Yeah, I do." And he said, "Well, if you like this stuff, feel free to stick on and learn as much as you can." And I pretty much did just that.
And when I first got into this business, I didn't really see like a clear path, but I had to figure it out on my own. So that's one reason we really want to engage young people and bring them into the company and kind of give them a clear path to success. Like, you're finally a carpenter now. So we have a 4-stage program. It takes about 4 years. So a big mission of ours in the apprentice program is really to connect the young people in Boston to the amazing work that's happening here.
My name's Eric Coughlin, and I'm a level 3 apprentice woodworker here at Kevin Cradock Builders.
So I'm a lead carpenter, so a typical day for me would be getting on site, opening the job up for everyone. Maybe someone needs something specific done for the day, and so I'll help move people around to make sure that we kind of execute the goal for the day or the week. And especially when we have apprentices, a lot of the time I'm standing behind them, not necessarily critiquing their work, but just being around for them to have questions. And I try to let them kind of do their own thing and not take it from them and do it physically by showing them, but more so just letting them ask the questions and then letting them do it.
It's been so great to be surrounded by all of this high quality work that we do here, and I'm so thankful to be around so much knowledge and eagerness to share with the next generation of woodworkers.
I try to give them that same patience that I wanted when I was an apprentice, and especially giving everyone a chance to show Kevin that that they are really into this and they are trying to learn and trying to improve. And so I just try to give everyone that opportunity.
And to me, that's really what it's all about, teaching and learning while teaching, and being an example to say, if you're into something, you're passionate about it, you care so much, you can eventually do anything. You can run a company, you can run a division of a company, you can start a small business, you can do all this. So Lasana is really an example of really the possibility of what you can do or what you can become if you're passionate and you care about it.
I think it's very important for any trade to get apprentices and give new people a chance.
Even though you're going to be at the bottom of the totem pole and learning something brand new, it's going to really broaden your horizons and just give you so much more.
I would tell people, look around your neighborhood. There's work being done, and you can go door knocking and say, "Hey, do you guys need help? If you want it, just go after it." A lot of thanks to my friend for even referring me to his father, and then his father as well for just giving me a chance. I take what they taught me and I kind of carry it on my shoulders to this day.
If you've got a contractor in your area who you think's worth celebrating, we'd love to hear about them. Write in and let us know. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.